Okay, we're now live on YouTube. No inappropriate swearing, dancing, or singing, especially singing. Okay. Mr. Dollar, get back on my screen.
Yes, sir.
I'm assuming, yes, I see paperwork on Ozuna on my screen. So I'm assuming you're ready for a plea on that one?
Yes, sir.
Sorry to
Okay.
interrupt, but I think Miss Foster took off. Did somebody stop her?
Yeah, I'm right here in front.
Okay, Mr. Catmeyer, yeah, Mr. Foster, is he ready on the plea? I'm not sure I understand what's going on, Mr. Foster.
She did her paperwork and she disappeared from the screen. I think she thought she was finished. I'm
Okay.
hoping somebody will stop her and get her.
Judge, you need Foster at the bench?
If the paperwork is done, and Mr. Catmeyer was here before Mr. Darling, so yes, if we, and what's happening on Foster, Mr. Catmeyer?
This should be a time served 180 days.
On all four cases?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
There's a net, yeah, she's not PIC in any of them. Okay. And they're all the same terroristic threats, right?
Yes, sir, from the same incident.
Mr. Catmeyer and Judge, I don't believe that is a JSAT time served. It's a 180-day plea offer, and my understanding is she has 108 days in.
Okay. So, Mr. Catmeyer,
That is true. I thought she had enough credit.
2 for 1 at 100 days would be about 200. It should be close. I will
Thank you.
JSAT that. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
If they have at least half the time, I'll usually JSAT it. So, let me see. Let me find. First of all, has the jail got her? I see. I have someone else on my screen right now. Who is
It's
that?
me, Misty Foster.
Judge,
Miss
that's
Foster.
Misty.
Okay, Miss Foster. Hold on. Let me put up one of your paperwork. Okay, so Miss Foster, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Misty Foster?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Misty Foster who in this cause number 2025 CC 008058, when this cause number is charged with the offense of terroristic threats?
Yes, sir.
Are you also the same Misty Foster who in cause number 2025 CC 008055, who in that cause number is charged with terroristic threats?
Yes, sir.
Are you also the same Misty Foster who in cause number 2025 CC 008056, when that cause number is charged with terroristic threats?
Yes, sir.
And are you also the same Misty Foster who in this cause number 2025 CC 008060, who is charged with the offense of terroristic threats?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Miss Foster, you have 4 terroristic threats case. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay. And each one of these cases is a class, is a class B? I think it's in the class, or is it class A? Mr. Catmeyer?
I believe it's an A.
Okay. Each one of these cases are class A misdemeanors. It's possible in each one of these cases that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, in each case, it's possible you can have a fine possible anywhere from a minimum $0 up to maximum $4,000. So do you understand what you're charged with in all 4 of these cases and what the possible punishment could be in all 4 of these cases?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay. In all 4 of these cases, you have filed documents entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Now looking on my screen at a document that you filed in all 4 cases entitled defendant's waiver of constitutional rights. You have signed it in all 4 cases, and so is your attorney. Did you go over these documents with your attorney?
Yes, sir, I did.
Did your attorney explain them to you?
Yes, sir, he did.
And do you understand them?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay, hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir, I am.
Now looking at a document that you have filed on all 4 cases entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it in all 4 cases, and so is your attorney. When you signed these documents, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow the plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then, in cause number 2025 CC 008058 to the offense of terroristic threats, how do you plead?
No
Guilty, not-
contest.
Hold on a minute. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, my paperwork says guilty. Mr. Kampmeyer,
Misty, please plead guilty.
Okay, guilty.
okay. Okay, you got 4 of these cases, so I got to ask you in all 4 cases separately.
Yes, sir.
Cause number 2025 CC 008055 to the offense of terroristic threats, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
And cause number 2025 CC 008056 to the offense of terroristic threats, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
And in cause number 2025 CC 008060 to the offense of terroristic threats, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Okay, hold on 1 minute. Has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargains that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anyone promise you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
You're doing this of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? There's no plea bargain. So what's the state's recommendation?
Your Honor, I'll preface my recommendation by saying Mr. Kampmeyer and I both were mistaken in that we thought this was family violence, which would make it an A. It is not, therefore it is a B.
Okay, I have admonished her in an A, which kind of supersedes the B. So she's been admonished on A, which is just as good as admonishing her on a B. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What is the what is your recommendation on this case?
We're recommending a $0 fine plus court costs, 180 days Bear County Jail, understanding that Ms. Foster has 108 today. Credit for time served, time and money running concurrently, and all 4 cases running concurrently with one another.
Okay. My understanding is that she has 108 days, and normally the jail gives 2 for 1, so she's going to probably get credit for 200. So I'm going to JSAT this case.
Understood.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Kampmeyer?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree to this, Ms. Foster?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Foster, the court, having heard you plead guilty on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain, sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 180 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money current. The judgment is satisfied. Now I got to do this on the computer in all 4 cases. So hold on, ma'am, or else you could get stuck in jail. I've done 1. All right. Now I have to find another case. Okay, I'm now doing cause number 2025 Make sure I got the right number. 2025 CC 008056. In that cause number, the court having heard your plea of guilty, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served. The time and the money run current. The judgment is satisfied. Okay, that's 2 down, 2 to go. I'm now in cause number 2025 CC 008055. The court having heard you plead guilty in that case, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I followed the plea bargain. I sent you to a $0 fine plus court costs. Sentence you to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served. Time and money run current. And the judgment is satisfied. Got one more to do. We did that one. We did that one. Okay. Or here. Then cause number 2025 CC 8060. The court having heard you plead guilty in that case, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I followed the plea bargain. I sent you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served. Time and money run current. The judgment is satisfied. I think I've done all 4 cases. These are the only cases holding your client, Ms. Kampmeyer?
I do believe so.
If these are the only cases holding you, ma'am, then you should be released sometime today, okay?
Yes,
Tell
sir.
the- Tell the deputies that we're finishing your cases and you can be excused from this Zoom meeting. And
Thank
you.
Ms.
Thank you.
Kampmeyer, you
Thank
can be
you, Judge.
excused as well. Thank you.
I'm done.
Attorney Martinez, did you still need to speak with the ADA?
I do if that's possible.
Judge, can I put him in a breakout room or do you want to do another
Can we
plea?
just make it a brief meeting, please?
Yeah.
I think, Mr. Darling, you'll be the next one up on Ozuna, right?
Yes, sir.
Is that Mr. Ozuna there?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ozuna, just hold on. We have to wait for the prosecutors. Just
Okay.
be patient.
Attorney
Okay,
Martinez, do you need to speak with your client again?
No, we're ready.
Oh, okay,
Okay.
thank you.
okay, we have Mr. Ozuna ready on the plea. So, Mr. Ozuna, can you raise your right hand?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I swear nothing but the truth.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Enoch Timothy Ozuna?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Enoch Ozuna who in this cause number 2024 CC 739884 was charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Excuse me?
Guilty.
Okay, Mr. Dolly,
Yes, sir.
your client's paperwork says no contest. So
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. Whatever's convenient for the court, just plead no contest, please. Enoch is my bad.
Okay. No contest. Yeah.
okay. And the other, 1 minute. Then. You understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty anyway. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anyone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, sir. Nobody did.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please decide it if there is?
This is an agreed open plea for a $0 fine plus court cost, 30 days Bear County Jail, understanding that Mr. Ozuna presently has 12. Credit for time served, time and money running concurrently.
Okay. It's close enough to half that I'll judgment set it. Do you agree with this, Mr. Darling?
Yes, sir.
And do you agree with this, Mr. Nunez? Mr. Ozuna, sorry.
Yes. Oh, yes, sir. Sorry. Sorry.
I wrote down my wrong paperwork. 1 minute.
Oh, sir.
So you agree to this, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Then the court, having heard you plead no contest on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to $0 fine plus court costs. Sentence you to 30 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served. Time and money run current, and the judgment is satisfied.
Okay.
This is the only case holding you. Is this the only case holding you, client?
It is, Judge.
Okay. If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. Okay.
Okay.
Tell the deputies that we're finished with your case, and Mr. Dolan, you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Attorney Kramer.
Yes, I was just about to text you, Debbie. I guess, whenever Talia has a chance to break away from the court, I'll talk to her first.
Okay.
I do have a plea bargain, Judge, but I thought I would, not a plea bargain, a plea offer. I thought I would
Okay.
talk to Talia first.
If you can do it really quickly, we can do
I
it right
can't.
now.
I can't.
You cannot or can?
I can't. I can, Judge.
Okay, then let's do a really quickly then, if you don't mind. Can you put them in breakout room 6? Debbie?
Yes, Judge. Yes.
Morning.
Good morning. And your name, sir, is
Jesus Christian Mendoza.
Mendoza. Okay, Mr. Mendoza, hold on. We're waiting on the district attorney to come back from a quick meeting, and we'll have your case done in just a minute. Okay?
Thank you for your time.
Ms. Mendoza, this is your attorney, Jeffrey Martinez. We're going to shoot for that time served like we're going to do for Wednesday, but we're going to do it today, okay?
Thank you.
We're just waiting on the district attorney to come back from her brief conference, and we should be ready.
Thank you.
Deborah, can you stick your head in the breakout room 6 and ask if they can wrap it up so we can take this plea?
Yeah, Judge, I just did.
Okay.
They're finishing up now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, there we are. Okay, we have the prosecutor back from her meeting. Suzanne, do you need to talk to your client now?
Yes, Debbie just sent me to a breakout room with
Okay. All right, so now we have Mr. Mendoza. Mendoza's got unusual charges, criminal mischief while interrupting a public service. Is that an A or a B? I'm not familiar with that one.
It's an A, Your Honor.
It's an A?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Mendoza, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Is that a
So help me
yes?
God.
Thank you. Put your
Yes.
hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see the screen?
Um, okay, I can see the screen.
Okay. Is your name Jesus Mendoza?
I don't have my glasses. Yes, I don't have my glasses. I'm sorry. I just had to.
Okay, well, get as close as you need to get to be able to see it. Okay.
Okay.
Are you the same as Jesus Mendoza, who in this cause number 2024 CC 741363, who's charged with the offense of criminal mischief by impairing or interrupting a public servant? Is that you?
That's me.
Okay. This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in your case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Um, this is for prior to, or this is for the me accepting the plea or that the.
I'm just asking you if you understand what you're charged with and what
Oh,
the
okay.
possible punishment could be.
Oh, for the in general. I see.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Do you understand what what you're charged with? Number one, do you understand that?
I understand what the claim is.
Okay. And do you understand what the possible punishment could be?
I understand.
Okay. Now looking now at a document on my screen that's entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that right?
Oh, we can do it in open court? When would that be?
It would be sometime later. If you don't want to do this plea today, then we can just not do it by video. So what do you want to do?
What's the difference?
Okay, Mr. Martinez, have you really talked to your client?
I have, Your Honor. I'll go talk to him again.
Okay, yeah, he needs to go back in the breakout room and you need to explain to him what's going on.
No,
If he doesn't have glasses, then maybe we need to get him glasses as well. I mean, I don't see how he,
I think
I'm
I'm trying to get
sorry.
original, Your Honor. So
okay.
he's just one of those young people that like to ask questions. But we
My
went
apologies.
over this, but I'll go over it again with them so we can be a little more.
Go over it thoroughly with him because if he doesn't understand this, I'm not going to be able to take this plea.
Of
Okay.
course, Your Honor. Of course, Your Honor. We'll be back.
My apologies. Yes. My apologies. I don't have my glasses, so I'm pretty blind, so I'm trying to read it. We went through it pretty fast. My apologies.
If I may enlighten the court with respect to Jennifer Nunez, number 5 on page 2.
Uh-huh.
We have some conflicting information on the offer on this case. It is completely the state's problem. I need to resolve it. I wonder if Ms. Nunez can either be rescheduled for later this week or sent back to the court of origin.
Okay, we need to have that conversation with Ms. Kramer here, or else
Understood.
it'll cause a problem. Let's Debbie, can you go in and ask Ms. Kramer to come back out?
Yes, Judge.
There's no way you could do it by the end of the docket call, like if we went, you just put it off to the side and we went and did the bonds.
I can try. I can text the two attorneys involved and see if they can give me what the correct answer is. We're way off on the number. I mean,
Okay.
way off.
Okay.
I'll do that.
Let's see what Miss Kramer says.
I'm back. I'm back.
Ms. Kramer, there seems to be a problem with two conflicting offers from two different DAs.
There is.
And Ms. Trish needs to try and resolve that. It depends on time parameters. If
It does.
you can wait till the end of when I finish this docket and the bond docket, maybe by then she can email them and find out, or we can reset this case. What is
And-
your
Well, that's fine. I mean, I'd love to be able to work it out today, but the offer as it stands right now, we weren't going to accept it. And just so Talia knows, this is a business, not a home.
Yes, I'm not sure because
But if that makes any difference, but yeah, I mean, I can put you on mute and work until y'all are done.
so what's your preference here? Do you
Well,
sort
I
of-
mean, I would like to resolve this, but right now she's got a 30+ days. The state's offer is 120, which means she's got 60-ish days left to do,
Yeah.
and that's just not acceptable.
I haven't
Okay.
bottom and I have
Talia can work something out when y'all are done with the docket.
bottom on my head.
Acceptable, that's fine too.
If you're willing to wait around till we're done with the docket and she can get an answer by then, fine. But you may not be able to. It'll probably get
Yes.
reset. But if you want to wait around, that's fine.
I can, and if I could get Deborah to text me when y'all are ready for me, because I'll just be here at my computer working.
Okay, is that okay, Debbie?
Yes, Judge, I'll text her.
Okay, we'll do that. Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
thank you.
Thank you.
And then let's make sure the deputies don't take her client.
Oh,
back.
right, yeah.
Okay, Judge. I'll let him know.
All right, so then that's Ms. Kramer's case. So who do we have?
We're waiting on Mendoza from
Mendoza,
Attorney Martinez.
and then so that'll be the docket then, right? Wow. Okay. Do we have pretrial?
Pretrial is here, Judge.
Okay. Can I go with
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
can I go with the bond docket with pretrial? And who do I have? Let me see.
Judge, I
Yes,
think Mr. Mendoza is ready now.
Is Mr. Mendoza, Mr. Martinez, are you ready in Mendoza?
I'm ready.
Okay, we'll
Hello.
try it again. And if it doesn't work, then it doesn't work.
Of
My
course.
apologies.
Let's see. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to start over on Mr. Mendoza. All right, Mr. Mendoza, I got your paperwork on my screen. I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes.
If you don't see it, get close enough so that you can see it, okay? Is your name Jesus Mendoza?
That's my name.
Are you the same Jesus Mendoza who in this cause number 2024 CC 741363 who is charged with the offense of criminal mischief by impairing or interrupting the public service? Is that you?
That's me.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It is possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from a minimum of $0 up to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
I understand.
I'm looking now on my screen at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video. You have signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We do not have to do it in open court. Is that right?
Okay.
Is that right, sir?
It's right.
Okay. I'm looking now at a document on my screen that is entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
He went over it with me.
Did he explain it to you?
Yes.
And do you understand it?
I understand. Yes.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
I'm now looking on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed this document, and so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, Judge, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
No right to appeal under my name. I understand.
So then, to the offense of criminal mischief as a Class A misdemeanor, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Not guilty.
On your paperwork, it says no contest.
No
so let me ask
contest.
you again.
No
How do you
contest.
plead? No contest?
No
Okay.
contest.
1 minute. And do you understand that on the plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty anyway? Do you understand that?
Well, I understand to what
You're
you
pleading no
said.
contest. You're saying I don't want to fight it. That's all you're saying, but you can still be found guilty. Do you understand that?
Oh, okay. That's after today. Yes, I understand.
Okay. Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Okay.
Is that a yes or no? Are you doing
Yes.
this of your own free will?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it? There is.
Yes, Your Honor, it is an agreed open plea for a $0 fine plus court costs, 30 days in the Bear County Jail. Understanding defendant presently has 12, credit for time served, and time and money running concurrently.
Okay, since they're giving 2 for 1, it's pretty close to half. I'm going to judgment sat the case. Do you agree with that, Mr. Martinez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree with this, Mr. Mendoza?
What does that mean?
It means you're going to get out of jail today.
Oh, thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you.
Does that mean you agree to it, sir?
I agree.
Okay. Then the court, having heard your plea of no contest on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to $0 fine plus court costs, 30 days in the Bear County Jail. I give you credit for time served, the time and the money run current, and the judgment is satisfied. Is this the only case holding your client, Mr. Martinez?
It is, Your Honor.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. Okay? Tell the deputies that we are finished with your case. And Mr. Martinez, you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you for your patience. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Judge,
Yes.
on Johnny Lewis, he did show up. So, Mr. Attorney Garcia is in the breakout room with him now.
Johnny Lewis, was he the one that refused to come to court? before?
Yes, Judge, but he did show up. So,
Okay.
eh,
We'll find him on my doc.
pre-trial is here. It's on page
Oh, I see.
2.
I'm finding him now. Okay. Okay. All right. Let me go with the docket with pre-trial, and then you can put him in a breakout room with Mr. Garcia. Okay.
There you go.
So then, do I have Sonia? Who do I have?
Yes, it is me.
Sonia. Okay. I'm
Good
looking
morning.
good morning. I'm looking at the jail court bond docket. And for number 1, I have Jacqueline Alonso listed. Is that right with you? Are we on the same page?
Yes, she should be there.
Okay. All right. Number 2, bonded out. Number 3,
Bond increase, not handled, sorry.
not handled. 4, bonded out. 5, not handled. 6, not handled.
Correct.
7,
Should be there.
8, bonded out. 9 not handled, 10 not handled, 11,
Should be there.
12 bonded out, 13,
Should be there.
14 not handled, 15 bonded out, 16 not handled, 17
Released on bond.
on bond, 18 bonded out, 19 bonded out, 20 not handled, 21 not handled, 22,
22 and 23 should be there.
24 not handled, 25 bonded out, correct?
Correct. Correct.
Okay. We're going to take us off of YouTube temporarily so we can start on these bond hearings.